Welcome back to my page. Let me show you how to bypass Google account FRP on this phone. This phone is Infinix Hot 40i. Let me show you how to bypass it step by step without using a system or without using any software. First of all, let's select our country and our language. I've selected my language and my country is Nigeria. You skip it. When you get to this point, you connect your hotspot. Just turn your phone hotspot on, then connect it to the Wi-Fi of the phone you want to unlock. Then you see this. Let me just show you first that there is lock in the phone, because some people normally complain that there is no lock, or I don't show them whether there is lock on the phone. So let me show you. If you look up to the left corner of the phone on top, you will see that there is a lock sign already. So if you see that lock sign on top of the screen, so just know that the phone is locked already. No need to start going to check if the phone is locked or is not locked. So that's why I just want to show you that the phone is locked, so that some people will understand the phone is locked. So I want to show you. Just wait for the phone to boot up so you will see. Please, if you have any question to ask me, you can drop your question on the comment section. I'll answer your question. Let's just wait for it for some time. It will soon boot up. As you can see, you press don't skip. Let me check so that you will see. Just wait. It will soon open now. Okay, as you can see now, it's locked. It's locked. It's showing Google account. So I want to show you practically how you can bypass it. You can see now it's locked. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So we'll begin. Let's go back. Okay, you see this place here, like this QR code. You tap on this nearby. You see this thing, turn it on. You see this link down here. Click on the link. Then you will see 3 dots on top. Just wait for it to boot up. You see 3 dots. You have to click on the 3 dots. Then you see share article. You share it. Then you share to Phonic. You press Phonic app. You tap on the Phonic. Then agree and start. Then click on this home icon. Then turn your Wi-Fi off. Turn your hotspot off. If you are using your phone, turn it off. Turn the hotspot off. Then when you turn it off, you have to swipe down. Just enable all these things. Just remove all the notifications. Then swipe it down. You will see connect to network. Click that connect to network. It will take you to settings, as you can see now. Then what we are looking for now is a special function. Look at special function here. Click on special function. Then at accessibility menu, turn it on. Turn accessibility menu on. As you can see, it's turned on now. Then let's go back totally. You have to go back. Just go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Let's go back. Just keep going back. Exit everything. From here again, make sure you connect your hotspot again. You turn it on. Then when you turn it on, you have to forget the password. If not, it will not take you to next. You will not be able to go further. So forget the password and connect it again. Let me put my password, so I will connect it now. You have to follow this step. Follow it step by step. Please share this video for others to benefit. Click on next. Then from here, you have to turn the hotspot off again. Turn it off from your phone. If you are using phone, turn it off. As you can see, it's off. Then press next. You can see from here, continue. You skip everything. Skip. Don't touch anything here. Just skip. Continue. Skip. Can press skip. Then from here, don't touch anything. Just wait. Click on this accessibility menu. This accessibility menu here, click on it. Turn your hotspot on. Then when you turn your hotspot on, you click on this icon here. Then write open settings. Make sure you have turned your hotspot on. Turn it on. Then if you click on this, you write open setting. You search. It will take you to settings. Then from here, we have to go to apps management. Go to app list. First of all, Android setup. you click on Android setup. For stop it, you look up, you will see that lock sign is no more there. Then you have to go back, look for Google Play service, then for stop it and disable, for stop and disable. Then let's go back. We are through now. Just go back, just be careful. From here, click on it now, click on it. Please share these videos for others to benefit. Please share, like, share, drop a comment, drop any question you want me to answer, drop it there. You can see I am done with the phone. You can press this sign here, press it, enable the Google Play service. Everything is done, everything is done. That is how you can unlock it very easily and smooth. Please like, share, drop a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.